14th year of teaching. So I taught 4 years of second grade in California, and then I taught first, second, and third for 4 years in Mount Prospect. And then this is my 6th year here at Hoover, and I've taught second grade, and then now I'm an EL teacher.
Well, I really enjoy working with students on reading and literacy. That's what I do a lot right now, but I also enjoy teaching them about social studies and history and things like that.
Well, I just had a baby. He's 6 months old today, so I love spending time with him and my husband, and just together as a family. We like to, well, before the baby, we would like to go to the movies a lot, and we would go birding. That means we go look at birds in nature, and we like to travel to visit my family in California a lot.